Hi food lovers, welcome back to the ingredient channel. Today I'm excited to share another delicious homemade Chinese recipe with you. Fall is my favorite season with its crisp air, golden leaves, and abundant harvests. And today's dish is a perfect fit for this time of the year, loofah and salted egg soup. This light, flavorful soup is one of my favorites to make when the weather cools down. Now, while the golden color of the soup might remind you of Thai curry, this taste is completely different. Trust me, it's all about the salted egg. Before we dive into cooking, let's take a quick shopping trip. You will need one fresh loofah, which you can typically find in the fresh produce section of Asian grocery stores. Fast forward to the kitchen. First, peel the loofah. Remove both ends. And cut it into chunks rather than slices. This way, the pieces will hold their shape when boiled. Soak the loofah chunks in cold water with a teaspoon of salt to keep that lovely green color. And let them sit for about 10 minutes. Now for the other main ingredients, we'll be using squid. For me, I'm using a version that is already prepped ahead of time. If you prefer, you can substitute with peeled and deveined shrimp. You also need 2 salted eggs, which you can find at the same Oriental grocery store. If you cannot find any, don't worry. I have a recipe for making salted eggs from scratch. Since these eggs are already boiled, all you need to do is crack and peel them. Let's get cooking. In a heated wok, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Toss in the salted eggs and mash them up. Stir for about a minute over medium heat. Next, add the loofah chunks. And followed by the squid or shrimp, if that's your choice. Give everything a quick stir. Then pour in about 1.5 cups of boiled water. Sorry about the fog. Bring the soup to a boil, then simmer uncovered for 2 more minutes or until the seafood is fully cooked. To simmer without covering the lid will help preserve that green color as well. For a finishing touch, you can garnish with goji berries. They are optional, but they add a nice pop of color. The golden, the green, the white, the red. Isn't that reminding us of the beautiful fall color? And that's it, a simple and comforting loofah salted egg soup, perfect for fall. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy homemade Chinese dishes. Thanks so much for your support. Until next time, happy cooking.